What is your digital marketing strategy? As the online world around you continues to evolve and transform, your digital marketing strategy needs to be evolving with it, and all the different web and social platforms you have in your arsenal. So, where to start? Firstly, you'll need to base your digital marketing strategy around several key questions you have to ask yourself. What do you want to achieve as a business? Who are your customers, and what do you want to deliver to them? How are you going to deliver that? These days, all the big brands have a sophisticated marketing strategy. This involves an evolving website with fresh content, including blogs and videos, a thorough SEO and keywording strategy, and a comprehensive understanding of which social media channels to use. If you look at, say, Subway, for example, they produce a stream of fresh content delivered to their customers, and are now building their marketing strategy beyond standard social media channels and into texting services such as WhatsApp and Snapchat. This is the new landscape for their core audience, who comprise teens and young people. So, taking all this into account, savvy companies have a truly integrated marketing strategy that's transforming all the time and deeply connected to its evolving marketplace. As this marketplace and all the available channels become more multifarious, you need to address these issues in depth. Questions to ask. How are your customers using social channels? What are their expectations? How are these expectations changing, and what are you doing to change with them? What are your competitors up to? Are they quicker on the draw? What are your competitors offering, and how will you beat that? What's happening more broadly in digital that's impacting your industry? Once you've asked yourself all these questions, you need to set tasks for your team, and that way you'll have goals for particular channels and digital media with a deadline. You'll then need to measure your success and measure it regularly. Pull all the data off the different areas, and this will be key to your evolving digital marketing strategy. Once you have the data, you then need to set up the milestones and stick to them rigidly, unless of course they need to evolve and transform, as with all other aspects of the digital world we inhabit. No one said it was easy, but it can be fun planning all this, and that fun can pay dividends when customers come knocking, virtually at your door.